What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to get a color palette out of your image on Canva into a simple, fast, effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your Canva, find your picture. Let me just duplicate this. I'm gonna select someone right here. I think this one is okay. Let me place it right here. Now, review the left sidebar of menus. Hover mouse over apps and click on it. Now, search for get palette, just like this, okay? Find this one with purple color. Now, select the image. You need to click into the image on your design to open it right here and click on Get Color Palette. Main color, add to design or add to the design. You can add the main color in the case that you want, or you can add all of the colors, just like this. You can copy to the clipboard in the case that you want, or add all the colors to the design, just like this. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!